Like, well, I don't know if I want to do that because I feel like I'm kind of failing. I'm like, dude, you're not failing. I'm like, listen, if you can learn HVAC and become licensed and understand how things work, I'm like, you're never going to want for work because everybody needs that. And there's over the last 10 years, the statistics say that the age of entry is getting higher, which means that not as many people are coming into that industry to work. Yeah. So your average age of the guy working there is like 40 or whatever.